Hello and welcome to modstek. This is my story of Mr. Xbox. He was sticky, broke, and confused. I'm sorry, that was me. Remember that time, Xbox? I had the sandwich. You had the glass of Kool-Aid. Wait a minute. You weren't supposed to have no Kool-Aid. You were supposed to have the sandwich. Oh, Xbox. Oh, Xbox, please come back. Come back to me, Xbox. I truly bleed for you. I am so sorry, Xbox, sorry. I'll never look at another PlayStation again, I swear. Lights will make you dance like you never danced before. I know I don't deserve it, but you please give me a second chance. You will see, oh buddy, you will see. Introducing the newly constructed, resurrected Xbox One Slim. Like, share, comment, or questions. Stay safe out there. And remember, some people did look better with those masks on, me included. Have a good one.